started right.
All right, what are we doing?
Hey now, we're going to make Hyde's famous avocado chocolate pudding.
All right.
And he hasn't made it ever in his life.
Yeah,
so this is his
super
first
famous.
time. Super famous. This is going to be the first annual Hyde cooking show.
Hydro avocado.
Hydro avocado.
Hydro avocado pudding.
Hydro avocado in pudding is what we're going to call this.
Is this where we're doing it, right here?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Here's your cutting board.
All right. Should I wash my phalanges?
Wash your phalanges. I'm going to wash this knife. Towel me.
All right.
Okay.
So this is Martha and Snoop.
I'm Snoop.
I'm Martha.
And today we're going to make avocado pudding.
Avocado pudding.
Now,
Okay.
first things first, avocado.
'Kay.
Check. Avocado. Check. Cut them in
Got it.
half. You know how to cut avocado, don't you?
Never cut an avocado in my life.
Oh, man.
Okay, there's that.
Now, here's a spoonful of sugar. Helps the medicine go down. Medicine go down. Medicine go down.
All right, just in half, that's all?
That's it.
All right.
You're
All
gonna
right.
scoop the avocado out and put it into
The blender.
the blender.
Okay, so scoop the avocado out and put it into the blender. I'm gonna get right at the skin so you get all the avocado out. Don't want to waste any of this precious fruit. Look at that,
Yeah.
like a professional. So you've made this many, many times and you know how to do it without looking, right?
Yes. We are going to just throw in some avocado.
Okay.
We got 2 avocados because I need to make some for me. This cannot be all about you.
Oh, we're not doing it all at once?
Oh yeah, just all of it. Throw it all in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It almost looks like matcha green tea.
That's what we're going for, the matcha look.
Okay. Bringing Japan home with us a little bit.
That's it. Some 2
How's
tablespoons.
the video? Can you actually see what's happening?
Yeah. Here, let's get a up close and personal video.
Okay. All right. So we got 2 tablespoons of Nesquik
This is cocoa powder.
cocoa powder. Is that a good one? Is that too
Yeah.
much?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. 1.
I don't really measure it. That's good. Just throw it in there.
Just
Yep, that's good. Throw that in there. Good. We're
2.
done. Yep, 2 tablespoons. That's good. Like it.
All right. Good.
All right.
Good. Yeah. Now what?
Now, you're gonna need some maple syrup.
Maple syrup. We got some right here. This is pure maple syrup. Pure maple syrup from Italy. Just kidding.
Italy.
All right. How much?
I think we're gonna put 2 tablespoons in too.
2 tablespoons in 2. Okay.
Depends on how sweet you want it.
Like real tablespoons or like my tablespoons?
That's 1.
Okay, there's 1.
There's 2.
There's 2.
But we have 2 avocados, so you gotta double it.
There's 3.
And you got 1 extra just for a little bit. You know, maybe just a little extra.
Okay, okay. Now you eat this?
Then we got some vanilla.
Now you eat this off the spoon?
Yeah, you gotta lick the spoon because we can't have dirty dishes.
All right, good. Okay. Ooh, wow. Vanilla. How much vanilla?
Yeah, that
The
much.
whole thing?
Yeah, dump that in there.
That's barely anything.
That's probably not enough vanilla.
No.
I think I have. Now, oh, let's put a pinch of salt in there.
Just
a pinch.
Just a skosh.
So make sure that you do ionized salt, iodized. A pinch.
Wow, what a waste of salt.
That's salty. Stop being so salty over there.
All right, now what?
Okay, now blend it up.
Blend it up.
We're gonna add a tablespoon of milk.
Tablespoon?
Of milk.
Okay. Boom. That's definitely not a tablespoon. You gotta get it in the blender. Okay, 1, 2, 3, or 4.
Let's go with 2.
2. Blend, ready?
Yep. Let's scrape the sides a little bit. See if we get some good mixture in there.
Yeah, no, it's good.
What's it looking like in there?
It's looking puddingish.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it smells like pudding. Let's get some of this avocado off the side. Just to make sure we don't miss anything.
All right, what are we doing this time?
We're gonna go to 3 to crush.
Crush that shit. All right, let's see what the inside looks like.
Brought to you by Ninja Blender.
Ninja Blender. Okay.
That looks pretty delicious, honestly.
We have to plate it.
Plate it. Oh, are we gonna do a fancy plate?
Now.
You should lick that. No, don't lick it. I was kidding. All right, avocado pudding. We've been talking about this for like a week. How would you like it plated?
Plating.
Avocado plating. I'm doing it nice and fancy for you.
Nice and fancy like.
Fancy.
This is a lot of pudding. We probably should have saved some.
I kind of thought we were going to blend the raspberries into it.
No. We're just gonna top it off with a little bit of that.
Okay. Oh, is that white chocolate?
White chocolate. We're just gonna shave a little bit of white chocolate onto our pudding. Get yourself a piece of chocolate, a little bit of raspberry, a little bit of pudding.
Okay, ready? Is it the avocado that makes it healthy?
It is.
So the honey, the sugar, it all negates it when you add honey, avocado.
Avocado, yeah, it just takes the right out of the maple syrup. I mean, that's pure maple syrup. That's right out of a tree.
So it's healthy. It's
There's no added extra sugar.
So what are your thoughts?
That's just as good as I've remembered.
Yeah?
What do you think? I mean, this is the first time you've ever had avocado pudding.
This is true. I feel like the only thing I would probably do different next time is not add as much cocoa powder. Because it's very cocoa powdery.
It's very chocolatey.
Well,
I mean, I like it.
Other than that, it's very good. I don't taste avocado at all. It just tastes like chocolate pudding.
See? And for those of you who don't know, avocado pudding tastes like chocolate pudding.
To be fair though, my idea of avocado pudding was something completely different.
What did you think avocado pudding was?
Not chocolate pudding.
And now you know how good of a chef I am.
I expected it to be green
Yeah.
and like more like V8 splashed. I thought it was going to be like a healthy snack. Well, there you guys have it. Avocado pudding.
Try it yourself.
Yeah.
Based off of my ingredients, my measurements, turns out just as good.
Holy fuck. Let us know what you think.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys.
Sheesh.